These two cases come to us from the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit. The cases concern Indiana's voter identification law, passed in 2005, which requires Indiana voters to present government-issued photo identification before voting. Promptly after the law's enactment, petitioners filed suit in the United States District Court for the Southern District of Indiana, seeking to enjoin election officials from enforcing the law. Petitioners argued that the voter ID law unconstitutionally burdens Indiana citizens' right to vote under the First and 14th Amendments. Specifically, they claimed that Indiana's interest in enacting such a law to combat in-person fraudulent voting did not justify the burdens the voter ID law imposed on voters who did not already have acceptable photo identification. The district court rejected petitioners' arguments and granted summary judgment for the election officials. The United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit affirmed. Both the opinion of the district court and the Seventh Circuit's opinion noted the absence of any plaintiffs who claimed that the law would deter them from voting. We granted certiorari because of the importance of these cases to voting laws throughout the country, and we now affirm. In the opinion that I have authored, which is joined by the Chief Justice and Justice Kennedy, we hold that the petitioner's evidence is not sufficient to support a facial attack on the validity of Indiana's voter ID law. Indiana's interests in preventing voter fraud and safeguarding public confidence in elections are legitimate and weighty, and petitioners have failed to prove an excessive burden on any class of voters. Because petitioners advance a broad attack on the constitutionality of the voter ID law and seek to invalidate in its entirety, they bear an especially heavy burden of persuasion. For reasons further elaborated in our opinion, they have not met that burden. Justice Scalia has filed an opinion concurring in the judgment, which Justice Thomas and Justice Alito have joined. Justice Souter has filed a dissenting opinion, which Justice Ginsburg has joined, and Justice Breyer has also filed a dissenting opinion.